Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, introduce me Ummy Khulsum from Informatic Engineering Study Program 2B. On this occasion, I will share a tutorial on how to download and install WhatsApp on laptop. First, we open Google. Let's just type WhatsApp and click enter. And after we upload, click WhatsApp. Then we just click download. We just download it on our laptop. Then we click download for Windows 64-bit. And directly to the download, we just wait for it. Okay, finish. We click show in folder. Here is WhatsApp file. Then we right click and click open. We wait a moment. Okay, this is right running to install. Okay, finish. We freeze check this. You just scan WhatsApp on your handphone to your laptop. Since my WhatsApp is right on scan, so he immediately upright click the upright like this. Okay, maybe this is just a tutorial how to download WhatsApp on laptop. Thank you.